Hi, this is Dr. Philip Cordova with Core Chiropractic. Have you ever wondered what is that popping sound anyway? So it's nothing breaking. So when you're getting an adjustment, it's nothing that's breaking, nothing that's cracking. It's not even bones rubbing together. What it actually is the joint surface separates ever so briefly, releasing nitrogen gas, also endorphins, which are your body's own natural painkillers. That noise is actually referred to as a cavitation, and it's completely normal and happens most often when somebody receives an adjustment. Now, that noise can vary from visit to visit, and it's not in any way an indicator of how good of an adjustment you got or didn't get. So some people equate like a very loud pop to meaning that they were really bad and they really needed an adjustment, or a really loud pop will mean that they got a really good adjustment. Well, the reality is everyone is very different, and the noise can vary from visit to visit, but I do hear the noise, but I'm not dependent on the noise when I'm doing an adjustment. Every time we do adjustments, I have my hand on the part that I'm trying to adjust, and I feel it move. And sometimes we can get a little pop and crack just as we're getting ready to do the adjustment, and that's not an adjustment. So as I start to set you up to actually do the adjustment, I'll have my hand on that spot, I do the adjustment, and if I feel it move in the amount that I feel it should have moved, then we know we got you adjusted. Now, one other noise that you may hear is something that pops and cracks repeatedly. That's not a joint. So for example, if you take your shoulder and you're rolling that back over and over again and it's pop, 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 that's not the joint, because the gas inside the joint has to build up. So that pop may occur once and then you won't hear it again for a while until that gas has an opportunity to build back up again. And so if you hear a pop once and it stops, that's a joint. If you hear it pop, pop, pop repeatedly, that's more of a tendon slipping or something else soft tissue-wise that's going on inside your joint and not the joint itself. So there you go. Now you know what that popping noise is.